everyone, this is Lews Auto out here in Thornburg, Virginia. Today we have UU259. And what this is an 05 Volkswagen Jetta. It's got your 2.0 diesel engine in it, automatic trans. Has 170,936 on the mileage. This one was hit in the right-hand side rear. I believe it's affected the fuel pump in the gas tank, so I can get the engine to turn over and everything sounds good there. But as far as it starting, it will not start up. So like I said, I believe it's because of this collision right here in the back. As you can see, it got kind of deep in there. So thinking that there's a fuel line or something else that's bad on it. We're going to go ahead and get in the bay and do some testing before we sell the engine. But as far as everything looks good. The engine looks good, the oil looks good. So I'm gonna go with this good engine. We just need to get it tested in the bay. Now, of course, if we get it in the bay and it does not start, then we will not say it's a good engine. So here we go. Hop on the inside here. Speedometer's got a little bit of wear to it. I'm probably not going to do the speedometer either, but there's a 170,936 on that. We're going to test out some windows. This is your driver's side. Over here for the passenger side. Passenger side. So looks like all that works too. We're gonna hop on over here. I didn't notice there was blinkers on here. I'll show you the blinkers for the mirrors working also at the end of this. Alright, so looks like all that's good too. We're hopping over here to the heater AC control. There's a little bit of wear to the heater AC control. I'm going to inventory it as long as everything works. Actually, it does not look like it works. So I'm not getting any controls out of the fan going on and off. So it looks like there's all of it responds, but the fan itself does not respond. So we'll say the heater AC control is bad on this one. Radio has definitely been worn out. You can tell there's 170,000 miles on that radio itself. So all in all, still a decent vehicle. We still got to do our test inside. Not going to inventory heater AC control, radio, or battery. Everything else I checked out seemed to work just fine. I'm sorry, heater AC control, radio, or speedometer. We're not going to inventory that stuff. You guys got any questions, please call Lews Auto. We'll be happy to help you out. And we'll turn on these four-way flashers, just make sure they're flashing on the mirrors, and then we'll end the video. Looks like those are flashing for me. Once I've got those flashing. All right, cool. So we got both mirrors flashing, so we're good there. All right, again, this is UU259. You guys have any questions, please call Lews Auto. We'll be happy to help. Thank you, and God bless.